Welcome to Eva's Blessings and Shenanigans, honey. And I am up here trying to do the hookah, honey. Trying to set it up, all this other stuff. So don't be laughing at me trying to do the hookah and I'm coughing.
Dang,
all right?
Man. I got like ashes all in my teeth. That's some bullshit.
I don't have no stuff in it. Don't be looking at me crazy.
Oh my, yeah, that did it. That did it. What kids? What kids?
Because I don't smoke. It's just vapors. The little coals and the shisha. Shisha, same thing. Hamburger, cheeseburger, same thing.
If you got a good bag, you keep it. But I still live a single proof keeper.
Stop trying to make me laugh. I'm trying to concentrate.
Shorty, come and get your man.
I do not know what I'm doing. I don't even smoke cigarettes. How the heck I'm gonna inhale this stuff? Get somebody let me borrow a piece of lung.
It's not bad actually. It really isn't. Weed is definitely it's harsher.
That's nothing that I would try again.
Yeah,
I was a young bullheaded kid. Didn't know what the heck I was doing then either.
It's definitely harsher. I like the brown better than like black.